sayang. Gagi.
Oh, kita ko sa tigre naman yan. Mas tigre to eh.
Oo, tignan damit na outfit ko. My outfit is tiger.
Ah, teenager? Oh,
Yes!
Teenager ang pota.
Okay na namin.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me.
Ba't di mo kaya? Hindi mo mabuhat sarili mo? Ayan, okay naman ah. Tapos hiya.
Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Apakatamad mong maglakad.
Oh.
Dali! Go, exercise!
Oh.
Tinalo ka na ng Thunders, oh.
Eh, may warm up na yan eh.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering.
Ang tagal ng waiting time sa Tawiran. Yung curry. Ha? Try mo lang yung curry. Yung alin?
Ito yung tanong
Try ko. Take your king curry.
Tasty, di pa nga natikman. Looks like tasty.
Bakit na kaya ito dapat ng buo?
You like it?
May edad na, no?
Ano? Masarap hindi?
Tama lang.
Sarap siya.
Tama
You
sa
like it?
Mhm.
Local dish yan. Belgian food. Ang sarap. Para lang siyang arroz caldo.
Wala.
Beef version. Gusto ko. Tried already. Nakagatan mo ng kachapuri?
Where's kachapuri? This one? Okay, I buy it.
Ganito sarap.
Good.
Try the kachapuri.
Okay. Sarap. Wow.
Huwag kang OA, hindi mo pa natikman. Ano pa yung para mga epal na vlogger? Ang sarap, hindi pa isubo. You like it?
Sarap.
Very good.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Kala mo strong tong mga to wine ng wine.
Kaya gagawin namin sa labas para ano?
Malamig. Kung kaya mo bukas.
Ano kaya?
O, iniwan ka ng kasama mo.
Malamig sa labas eh.
Sumublay.
Wala, iniwan ka ng kasama mo. Ano ba yan?
Bubuksan ko na ng konti.
Pwede naman, para ma-feel natin yung weather. Weather, forecast.
Ayan.
Buksan mo. Gusto mo, buksan mo.
Diyan ka na lang sa labas matulog.
Para feel mo, nakijaming na rin kami.
Total
Wow.
balag kalabaw ka.
Very good.
Uy, ang lamig! Isara mo! Ayop! Anong trip mo? Wine tapos cookies?
Kasi di ka bumili ng pulutan.
Aba, kayo ang iinom, di ba? Bakit ako ang bibili?
Hindi mo pinaalala.
Ba't ko ipapaalala? Ako bang iinom?
Oo, sabi mo, bibili tayo grocery, di mo pinaalala.
Hindi ko sinabing grocery. Ang sinabi ko, ipaalala niyo sa akin, bibili tayo ng tubig.
Oh.
Sabi ko mamaya, bili tayo pulutan. Diyan mamaya, sabay na lang.
Oh,
Wala.
kanino sino may kasalanan
Si
ngayon?
Roma.
Excuse me?
Huwag muna ka naman ng kasalanan.
For what joy?
Ako na lang parati.
For what joy?
Not really the joy, for my sake. I'm emotionally hurt, that's why I'm doing this.
Yeah, he want to feel the winter, And then you're not supporting him?
Yeah,
My
wow!
goodness,
Ikaw
what
nga
a
tong
wife.
ikaw nga tong nagsabi na hindi ko kaya yung lamig. Git.
It's cold outside. Then you come join us.
Why should I?
What is this? What a not supported wife?
I know.
You should support your husband. You should
Support.
remind the pollutant.
Support me,
Because in your room, he cannot drink like this, no? Because your dragon, your your buga-buga apoy, usok-usok,
Yun lang yun. Biting. Paradig lang. Buti na napansin mo na fireworks yun.
Oh, ang ginaw! Hindi ko kaya, Kit. Hindi ko kaya ang ginaw.
Nagmamagaling kayo ha. Ganyan pa itsura nyo ha. Ganyan damit yung lumabas sa balcony ha. Ang kapal ng mukha nyo.
Hindi ko kaya. I can't stay there even 5 minutes.
Kala nyo strong kayo?
I can't. I want to feel the weather, but too cold.
Let's ask Hobo. Maybe he will join you.
Yeah. I will message him. Hugo, you want to join our company? My company only me. Sabi niya, message me, ha?
If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more glimpses of our travel adventures around the world.